How to print from laptop and PC to printer. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into the video. Now for an example, I want to print this dog to my printer. So it is pretty simple. What you actually have to do is tap open your document or your image. From there, you will see the option of file. You have to tap on file. Navigate the option of print and select where it says print. Now in the printer option, as you can see, I have some of the printer connected to my laptop. If you have not yet, select where it says add printer. Now it will take you to your settings option. In here, select add device next to add a printer or scanner. Make sure that you have connected the USB that links your laptop to your printer. Now you can browse for your printer by typing in the name of your printer in this dialog box right here. This is if you have added your printer extract file. Then select the browse option. If there is a printer, just tap on select. Then tap on next. That is how you'll be able to add your printer. Then just tap on the option of print to print any document images from your laptop to your printer. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you.